Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert convenience store symbol in Word. So this is very easy and simple way. So first you need to click on insert, now click on symbol, now click on more symbols. Now in this list font select this one and character code is this character code is 1F3EA. Just type this code and click on insert. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.